Hi, I've got this wig cap with two pieces, actually one that keeps wigs in place, so I'm going to try this one out. So let's open it up. So we opened it up, and this has a wig cap. Important thing about wig caps that it be your actual skin color. This is the skin, obviously I am brown skin, so this is my skin color. And we also have our very velvety wig cap, and it has adjustments because our heads are different sizes, so you have to adjust for that. So what you do is you put the wig cap on first, then over that you put this one in that will help it stay in place. Now wigs have little caps on the back that help you put the head on, but it doesn't stop it from moving around. It just secures the head on the whole head, but the movement up top actually is actually an issue. So let's try this one on. So we have it on. I have it on. Now you can have hairs out depending if you want baby hairs and all that stuff, but we're just gonna do legitimate, just like this. Obviously, you can also braid your hair, but that's another layer of issues. We're just trying this wig cap on. The set comes with another wig cap in case you rip it, which is possible. So now we're gonna put on our other part. Hold on one second. Now we have the wig cap on, and there's a little piece, and this piece is for the part, and obviously you need to be able to show, there is a part, there is skin here. And you can also put on makeup on these parts, but right now we're just seeing will it secure. So let's put on a wig. So here is the wig, and you can't move it. I didn't even have to put the fasteners in the back. This keeps it pretty secure. You can actually see the bottom and stuff, and it works really, really well. Sorry, excuse me for the wig, but it's not the greatest. But it's secure, and that does the job that's asked of you. Especially if you have more expensive wigs. They have a lace front, and they're specifically having something that has a clear part and that will secure your hair is extremely important, because nobody wants their wig to come off in public. So this product works actually really well. So if you like this, then go buy it. All right.